These 3 products made me my first $10,000 in profit in dropshipping. In this video, I'm gonna go over what these products actually are, how I went about and found them, how long they actually lasted, why I'm currently not selling them anymore, why only $10,000 in profit, and how my day 1 results looked. Now, a lot of beginners may be watching this and $10,000 seems like the end goal for you. If you could just get to $10,000 in profit dropshipping, you would know it works and it would feel like you're on top of the world. I also do want to say $10,000 from these 3 products was a long time ago. I've definitely made a lot more than $10,000 dropshipping now, but I wanted to make this case study video for you guys to just show you how easy it is to sell products online and that you don't need to do crazy amounts of research. Let's first go over this first product. It's a laser hair remover. You may have seen this all over your TikTok feed or on product research methods here and there. And I want to go over how I was able to actually successfully sell this product. Now, I think this product made me probably $3,000 in profit, and it did not last me for a very long time. Each of these different products have a different story to them, which is why I'm going to be going over the 6 different things that I just went over in the beginning of the video to talk about each one of these products. How did I actually find this product? I simply used a software like PP Ads and I just scrolled on there. I happened to be a super big noob in dropshipping at the time and didn't really know what was new to the market. I saw a product like this and I knew it fit my product research criteria and I decided to test it. Something different I did about this product is I brought it to the United Kingdom. I saw a lot of people selling this in the United States of America and I had myself a TikTok agency account and told myself I'm gonna go ahead and test this in the UK and see how it performs. On the day 1 of testing this product, it did pretty well. It got me like 4 sales. I think I was maybe like a 2 to 3 ROAS on day 1. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the stores for these products anymore. They've all been shut down, but I was able to successfully sell this product for around a month. I remember when I first tested this product, I was so excited and I just capitalized on the opportunity and continued to make creatives and scale it up in 1 month. Now, after about a month, this product died out purely because people in the UK have already successfully sold it before I was able to get to it. What I was doing was pretty much picking up leftover scraps at the end of the day. I brought this product to a very untapped market and was picking up last breadcrumbs off the ground, and in that case was not able to scale past what I did in a month. And that is also the reason why I'm not selling this product anymore. It just was not able to last. It didn't have much scalability, and being such a beginner in the space, I didn't really have a good understanding, or I didn't even know that this was really saturated in the US and the UK. Now let's go over product number 2. This right here is a carbon fiber AirTag wallet. This wallet's actually really cool. It's kind of folds out like this. You have a little money pocket storage right here. You have an RFID blocking thing somewhere. You put an AirTag right here. You have a quick switch lever and it puts the cards up. This is actually a really cool product. I wouldn't even use it, but it's a cool product. And so how did I find this product? I remember I was on my TikTok feed and I was scrolling and I saw this as an ad. There's like one brand out there that's been running this product for like 2 years. And I remember I saw this product. Once again, keep in mind, I was a complete beginner to dropshipping, so I didn't know what was new to the market. I simply saw this and I said, this solves a problem. It matches my criteria, and I decided to test it out. Once going ahead and testing this, I remember I deliberately angled my ads for people who want to be impressed by millionaires. I remember in my advertisements, I would use hooks like a millionaire asked me where I got this from. And I'd always bring up the word millionaire because I wanted to make this wallet feel luxurious and that people who are really high status in this world are gonna look at people who own this wallet as rich. And that's exactly how I angled this. And I attribute that to why I was able to succeed with this product. My day 1 results for this were very similar to how this product lasted as well. And it was simply just a 2 to 3 ROAS, a couple sales on day 1. Now I want to make it very clear. A lot of people on the internet are going to show you their day 1 results and show that they made 7K or 10K on day 1 and just realize that it's not what an actual winning product is. A winning product, you're going to see really good profitable results on day 1, but you don't need to hit a 7 to 10K day on your first day of testing a product for it to be a winner. This product right here lasted me around 2 months. Made me around the same profit this product did as well. And the reason why I'm not selling it is actually the same exact reason as as this as well. If you're kind of getting the common trend on why none of these products lasted, I hope you're catching on. Now, my third and final product that really brought it home for me and brought me in my first $10,000 in profit dropshipping and selling stuff online was the Dear Person Behind Me hoodie. Now, I don't have this hoodie with me right now, but we can just pop up an image. It was basically this hoodie that had a super nice message on the back. People would wear it to spread kindness and spread some nice words to other people who would read it, and that's essentially what the hoodie was. I once again found this product on PP ads. I just saw somebody running it in the United States of America when this product actually blew up. Now, I want to make something very clear. When I sold these two products, I didn't know at the time, but these two products were very competitive and very saturated. Now, when I sold a product like the Dear Person Behind Me hoodie, it was just starting to blow up on social media and from advertisers. I saw this happening in real time and knew I had to capitalize on it. This product didn't last me very long. In fact, you'd expect it to last longer, but it only lasted me the average lifespan that these two products did as well. And I'm not selling it for the same exact reasons that these products aren't being sold either as well. And I do want to make something clear. My day one results for that product were pretty much the same that these products showed as well. But something I do want to say is the reason why I was not able to scale the Dear Person Behind Me hoodie was my marketing. As a dropshipper, you need to learn so many different aspects of business, whether it's store creation, offer creation, product development. There's so many different aspects of owning a dropshipping business. As a beginner, you simply just are not a natural at every single aspect. When I found the product like a Dear Person Behind Me hoodie, even though I was so early to the market, I still failed to succeed and really scale it up to the 6 and 7 figures some other people were able to do. Now, my biggest drawback was being able to actually market and angle a product well and in turn create good advertisements. My editing at the time and my ability to market a product was just non-existent. Now, that I know for a fact is exactly why my product did not last. A lot of people you're gonna see online struggle with the same exact problem, and it's finding longevity in a product. It's very hard to do, especially when you're a very new person into the space and you don't know how to properly angle a product or genuinely just create good advertisements. It is a hard skill to learn. With these two products as well, in turn of also having horrible advertisements and angling these products horribly, I still did not even know that these products were heavily saturated and pretty much causing my lifespan of these products to be literally just so short. Now, I know $10,000 in profit is the goal for a lot of you guys there. And I wanted to make this video to really show you how easy it actually is, even if you choose trash products and you have really bad advertisements and you have no idea how to angle a product, you can still turn out with a profit if you do this business model correctly. Now, let's talk about when you do this business model correctly and you really do home down and understand concepts like product development, angling, and creating good advertisements. That is when everything will change for you. I was able to take these products from pretty much no knowledge about anything with the business and come out with $10,000 of profit. Now, I want you to think about how much your life would change if you were able to come out with $10,000 of profit by choosing trash products, by choosing really bad advertisements, and knowing nothing about a business. It would probably be life-changing. And in fact, this is what a lot of people and gurus will teach you online, is choosing products like these and simply giving you the poor results of $1,000 to $10,000 in profit, and then after that, leaving you with no guidance and no further future on how to actually make something sustainable. As cool as it is to make $10,000 of profit on these products, I was left with one simple problem. And I sat at my desk and I was like, these products are dead. I am making $10,000 of profit and now I am making absolutely nothing. What am I doing wrong? And that's the problem you are going to run into if you take a route like choosing products like these. Now, I don't want to make it seem like my product research method is some holy product research method that was passed down for me from centuries of knowledge, but I literally do have, I have YouTube videos going over my product research method. It's not that hard, but what makes the biggest difference on being able to just make $10,000 of profit on these trash products to actually choosing other products that are such high quality they will last you years is simply choosing good advertisements and learning how to create good advertisements that bring down your metrics and drive more traffic to your website, optimizing things like your website, creating and branding a product to make sure customers come back and have a good unboxing experience, and being able to angle your product in multiple ways to make sure you're hitting new pockets of audience. This is stuff that people will not teach you online, and it's because it's the boring stuff. Angle this video towards towards you about these 3 products to then teach you about something even greater. And it's by choosing products that actually last. Nobody wants to be making $10,000 of profit a month and then plummet down to 0. It simply is not fun. So next time you're going out and finding a product, all I ask yourself, is this product something new to the market? Does it solve a problem? How am I able to angle this? And are my advertisements good enough to be able to market this product and really scale this up to those 20, 30, 40K days, 100K plus months? Because that is really what you should be striving for. Although you may be a beginner watching this video and just aspiring to make $10,000 of profit online, if there's one thing I wish I would have skipped in my journey, it's choosing products like these that have no real value and have already been run up in the markets like there was no tomorrow. Now, I do want to make a quick disclaimer. If you have over $3,000 to invest in yourself and you're watching this video and you're so interested on how I find these branded products and how I'm able to make product last for so much longer, if you have more than $3,000 to get invested in dropshipping, then check that first link in the description. That's all I'm going to say.